Hello everyone. How are you everybody? Hope you are fine. Today, let's enjoy riverside walking tour with me and my mom. And this place in front of Naga world. And during like Chinese New Year's, the decoration look beautiful and nice with the red light balloon. Yeah, so this place like for relaxing in the evening time. Like some people they come here and doing some exercise, relaxing and sitting. Yeah, and like a little bit many people. Yeah. So always the police district over here they drive your car always announce that everybody have to wearing a mask because Omicron always near us. Have to be careful. Yeah, always. Even we got injection. Even we took the two-time vaccine of the COVID. We have to protect our body all the time. But okay, let's start and enjoy at the beautiful riverside. Nice view with us. Thank you for watching, everyone, everybody. Stay safe and stay calm. And sounds like to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon on. See you in my next video. Okay? Bye bye, sweet dream. Have a good night, everyone.